Rahim. In 4th class, guys, today we will learn about the move tool. Guys, the move tool is used to select the images and move them in Photoshop. You can see here on the above, you have this move tool. If you click on any of the images, you can drag and rotate and take it on wherever you want on your canvas. See, if I click on the yellow, I can select this also. You can see here. If you want to select any of the layer and drag this down, you can drag with the help of move tool. Guys, on the above you have this show transformation control option. If you click this, see guys, you can drag this. By pressing Ctrl, you can select all the layers you want, like this. And on the above, you have here alignment options. You can see this is on align top edges. Like this, you can align them on the top. This align vertical centers. You can align them vertically. And here, like this, you can align them on the left edges with the help of this. And if guys, now I'm clicking on isolate layers. You can see I have these layers one by one. Guys, now if you group all the layers by pressing Ctrl, you can select these layers, and by pressing Ctrl G, you can group them. You can see the group 1 is made. Now if you select this, you can select them easily, all the layers. Now from here, you can see this group is selected. If you click on the layer, it will select the layer one by one, like this. Now you can see if I click on this uncheck auto click, it will not select this red part. It is on selecting this because this layer is selected. But if you click on auto select, it will select the image which you want to select. So I always click on the auto select so that I can easily move for the my layers. Guys, you can see this is very easy, super cool and super fun method. Guys, you can see if you click here, you can also resize this by pressing shift button. In previous versions of Photoshop before 2019, you will have this feature by pressing the shift button, but in the latest versions of you don't have to press the shift button. You can resize this very easily. Guys, I press enter and I apply the transformation. Look, see, now above you have many other options of alignments. You can align your pictures from here. This is all for today. If you like, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates about the designs and upcoming videos, upcoming classes from my channel. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.